Quaid-e-Azam came to Lahore and addressed a mammoth public meeting on October 30th, 1947.
हमें जो दुख दिया गया है उसका मिसाल तारीख में नहीं मिलता, मगर हमें पाकिस्तान को कायम रखने के लिए अभी और कुर्बानी करना होगी। मुसलमान मुसीबत में घबराया नहीं करता। हमारे हौसले बुलंद हैं। अगर इसी तरह तमाम मिल्लत हिम्मत और सब्र के साथ काम करती रही तो हमारी ये मुसीबतें इंशाअल्लाह बहुत जल्द खत्म हो जाए। मैं आपकी इजाजत मांगता हूँ तो मुझे आप इजाजत दीजिए। We have achieved our cherished goal of freedom and has established Pakistan as an independent sovereign state, fifth largest in the world. That freedom can never be attained by a nation without suffering and sacrifice, has been now amply borne out by the recent tragic happenings in this subcontinent. We are in the midst of unparalleled difficulties and untold suffering. We have been through dark days of apprehension and anguish. But I can say with confidence that with courage and self-reliance and by the grace of God we shall emerge triumphant.